Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are cleaning our dryer and furnace vents. The dryer was not working properly for a long time. It was not drying the cloths properly. We cleaned it from inside and then we realized that it probably blocked outside as well. When we cleaned the vent from outside, there were a lot of stuff in there. We found a few nests and later on we found a dead bird itself. After cleaning the vent from outside, both a furnace vent and dryer vent, the dryer is working properly now. This cleaning was worth it. The dryer is working better now. I think this cleaning should be done more often. Leaf blower helped in blowing out the dust better. Vents temporarily covered to prevent the birds.